too much GH nie Ghana for ahwefo etiefo onipa bi a won subscribe e wo too much GH no subscribe wo na ehintasem ensem a ebuafa oman Ghana so na ye de bremu one god nie the only one god in GH eho na de bia mehwe abrochefo ene Ghana for mo wiasa fa na me recommend emamo too much GH.
Too much GH and when you go so we midi edna na ama owusa ohun se ma jimedwa se ya na ensem no aba edi se ye be kan ye di hu nkomo ne ye pe na kuma se bebe bibia ehu hia no ne ye da koto pepepe se na asi etie no na eye na no da kwesi ada 10th of May ebiasa fanania no obia edisi wo se eye wo mo emaame no wo be celebrate wo mo akire wo bibia se no mu se yes maame fo ma bo modern o ma ya de wo ma hwe fi ye kola brem o ma jeje yen so aboye ama yetimi enyi amodi into who we are today and it na edi say ye be celebrate na ye ba Ghana ye man mu a eye celebrities no wo mo ye taifelo om tie kan ne de o ma ba asase no wo mo celebrate mame e wo kwan shonko so wo timi say dodo na posti wo mo mame pictures ebi so a wo me mema no mo celebrate wo mo yere no mo ma wo ade amom na ma no so ma wo mu no o ma kasa mu bo modern so mo post on pictures no o ma celebrate o mo ho ene wo mo ma wo metimi awo o mo na de ne de aba te say efe picture no enika pa wo hwa wo timi say mame no or you fine na who say bibia eda on point the self-acclaimed queen of comedy Afia Schwar there and American one sem now we post the picture Ghana for one scroll through the page and who the picture and say oh picture dey yakono yen go here one we caption that say na Ghana for ebo breaks a year asemben and aba na yen go here picture no any caption na say Afia Schwar ede eto ase what sure say ewo any picture no ase I've been called all sorts of names, have all sorts of accolades. The best of them all is the name Mommy. I love being a mom. Happy Mother's Day to all the responsible mothers out there, especially we the mad, mom and dad. God bless and protect us and our children. Happy blessed Sunday. We and a queen of comedy, Afia Schwar Eddie Etoye. Ewo odeto ho ewo ne Instagram picture post here no asem na Ghana for any book caption we so na nsem bebre aboboba questions ndo mo so ya no me begum apo aso te so mo de begum me na asesa menka na me bisa man om so mutimi ba bonte menka me de me bisa mom na so yenre it's a good thing say we are mom say we are about time no ya de esombo pa wo tete akola no enye easy obe yare akrakra o sokra baby kra won kasa se e comedy no se no baby eye ne ya se we pray baby crampo no age wa na wo finfin ho ehwe ansa na wo hu yo bata ha obeti ase wa wo be finfin ho ansa na wo hu se na oba no okomu ana se e na eye no no ti se oba time ti mi hwa akola fini kola brem e me ne be du pembe so bi a ono anti mi dwale etiwe ne ho nyama wo tumi se wo sa oba time no wa ya de power bo no ho modern nti edi se obenya eye respect be e wode waye no na say celebration be e wode waye no nti say Afia Schwar be ka say we best mom na say wo pe edi ha mommy ne different na edi say ampa so wo pe because waye there wapon ho modern kola miensa enye easy enter form boys too and our ba ko waye there pa say wetimi aya oba tan edi ama enkola miensa we nanso Ghana for ebisa entem and some of about to say, woman, senior baby, I say, no more person, first of thing, I will be in the many so at that chomo. I'm more empty, I say, I was and some home. Yeah, and some of fat named Mam, you know, they were chim or chimomo, away and there, boys, no twin boys, no. And I'm gonna for episode woman who will be say, boys, see, your hair catching a bass, I will say, especially we the mads, the moms and dad. But I say, kwala na wo hwe omokan wa mu wo ye na wo sa ye ja every mom enu nti Ghana fo bisa say boys no a wo chi mu ewo ye no eye Afia Schwar ye bisa say wo mu papa ewo him because from earlier information say about out na Afia Schwar it's alleged say wo ka say kwala no eye twins no papa eye German a what say Germany at say o boa nkola ntese ni agye nkola no kwa ho atese ma awo na ma wore kwan so kwa ma ware po enesa anche and other issues about out and to say about out Miss Bell the former friend be kan say eni musa so the first say ga say nkola no me German former no enye no kwai wo bebia na nkola no kwai wo mu ahyaman ha ya enye Germany so the first say ga magana for ya dia tum oh ni enim say Miss Bell de opekasa egufo na ba eno okasa anche ene ye e first say ga boyfriend be alleged boyfriend no so ye Kumawood actor wono to be ka say here first thing on any date no watch ne say ne kwala no twins no one papa and I say one papa ni baby owo mo no ka ya shaman ti confirm Miss Bell former story na wo dey betu dwa no the kind of bisa say enti nkwala ne papa no baby o bebedu yi wo manyia bedu nti still now one more mababo me woni we bia to be found e wo mababo mana e ba ne say in the first thing standing as the mom and dad e wo nkwala miensa yi eso a papa ayenim so ya life a wo ho no wontimi enka bibia enye hwemfa nkola no enu te pata se ejina ye bia efa enkola ye hu no wono efo sasega nkwa no gina esi stage na ye ne fa nkola no ha so mu school ko se o maya hwehwemu de mbehye de mbedi nia no wono kwa ena gina mu eye mo ana ene so ba ya de o ene so ba no modern na so still na question na porta can afford do na mpese o mu hu mu ye because in some okache and also do to dwa efa ne man no enye sa na wo reflect e wo ne mother's day caption or they add to the picture as no ebi so ka say uber in the social light na the way enkwafo ehu e fast stiga no so conflicting ye culture crampo ye ka oba tan a ye culture no ene ensem a ebebo ba efa e fast stiga otum say nka ye ka ye culture sema nka oba tan bi ka de ko bi anti fan tag because the oye no unhu de ne ma no edwen fa ho according to Ghana for unhu de ne ma no edwen fa ho nti say all this goes on edin ankofo bebo no so no aka say edin de yaboni bi edin de afani bi pa ye friend queen of gossip edin Erika friend no Ashawo queen edin omo their friend no da enunti say di when ya boboba e was social media light say e go for do na the friend no now no to tankwala wo groom omo to become better people in the future then pa e no watch enkwala wem den pa e na e koso e wo mfiun na so niemu no ye be celebrate no say wetimi abom abedu empepe so omedu because the man wo munya enkwala bi omo nya be enkwala totofe omo nya baby wo manyi omo timi kasa omo timi dwane omo timi kire do mbedi do mehye enu timi bi o edu de fata say ye be man happy Mother's Day wa bono ho modern e wo ne bata yo emu sembitani de me da to floor musu metimi ade mo aya munim fa ho no atudwa na ebi hu ye hwe ne fans a wo mo don so wo mo comment a mo betai ne picture no ase efa ne caption ne happy Mother's Day wishes na wo de e man ho no we efi Gloria was say Happy Mother's Day, Mom. You are a real mom for all that you do for your children. We so if you the role Cedric so and I so you are very pretty and I like that about you. Akosia Maharis so there about say Happy Mother's Day. May God grant you good health and divine protection. Live long, much love. Abena Gold so say Happy Mother's Day to you. Akosia Sewa Laura so there say I love your caption. So sweet. Indeed, you are a mother. What do you say? Daniel Kojo Brokoso Edia what they about say. A first singer, you also call yourself a mother. Are you not ashamed with everything that you have been doing? Who are you saving it all up for? Also, Achena just say, Mammy, who now from where now? There's a very important. So they and na crabata doing. The Oyenia and Fata and na and until Jaito a honum. Where so if Lydia has son on until Edia, what they have to just say. It is good for a mother to do her best, do everything in her power to be able to provide for her children and support them. But is it worth it? Creating controversies, backbiting friends, and also all the evils that comes with the name that you say you have made and you call yourself with. Please check it because your children need everything they have to learn from you to grow and be better people in the society. And also Ache, Najin, Afa, and so on. Say a fresh stinger. A woman say na and they will be between this side and influence him. What about whom or they why are dear? wakoakoden ahawoma na so ne niam no de wo ye no nyama na wo ye no controversies eba wudimbo wudin seye na nkofo bi eye no ne niam ebeboa ma wo ma ne tetie no ma na wo modi wo mo edi o ma be ye di papa e wo society no ebeboa ma wo mto benya somdwe etimi afom ni abeye sa nipa na wo pe ana because edi bo bon de do circulate no ka se wonya bebre ni de edi bo bon de do so pa ebi kra de enya kra bi ye fawie ebi ye time ebi de ense fatakra se de be tag ena enu se be ya e force singa hwe pa ye wakoye ne de ye ntimi enyi wo film wabo ho modern wa ya de nanso hwe nyama wo ye no na motuo mu enyama wo ye emfa nkoma emboa wo ma no hwe netimi ehwe no ne yifi ho na wo ma no hwe mu ye no mutimi embe mpenipa dachi bi ewo ye man emu aha enam de comment no ebesi kofodo do na de wo mjitum se ampa e fashion singa wa ho modern wa ya de oba wa kudo etimi pie kodi akon e de be se be hwe o ma de and wo se fata say be celebrate on such a special day to say Mother's Day nti say o ka say happy Mother's Day na se fata say ye de man because wa ye ade e won ma no ehwe emu na ni diemu no ensem bisan de ehunya pa nti wa e bia wo no batodwa e wo Tr0ubIe comment section e biemu so na ma wo fi say we share video we e de ma adofo wo bibia oben bia midin e de na ama owusu a wo betimi afollow Tr0ubIe e wo your Instagram page at Tr0ubIe_. Aha na mre ebe ma me kwan amodi dwumede no esi makramo.